What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Strap by Woosier. Alright, now the Strap is a haptic feedback device that through Bluetooth or via 3.5 headphone jack allows you to feel the vibration of the music through this device. You can purchase the Strap on Woosier.com and it's going to cost you $149.95. And in the box, you get a card. It says congratulations, and it tells you how you can wear the strap and things of that nature. Then you have the actual strap right here. This thing got some nice weight to it. That's what I like. And then there's a little tab right here to pull this styrofoam up. And then you got the manual, the booklet it looks like. So a manual. And then you get charging cable, micro USB to USB charging cable, and then you get your standard 3.5mm headphone jack. Alright, and in this pocket right here, you get a Woosier carrying case, which is nice right here. I like this, so you just put the case in there. It's a nice feel to it too. Alright, let's check out the actual strap. Alright, so right here, you got your battery pack. And then it says a strap on here right here. Then you have the positions of the strap. So it tells you how to do it. Turn on the Bluetooth with this button right here. So that activates the Bluetooth. And then you have these buttons right here. Turn up and down the sensation. So the vibration sensation can be amplified or decreased with these two buttons. And then I'm guessing these two right here, the plus and minus, are your volume buttons. Alright, now this is a one size fits all strap, so it should fit the fat boys as well as the skinny boys. Alright, so press this button right here, and you unlock it. Right there to lock it. You can tighten it with this, loosen it as well. Alright, now to charge the strap right here, you got your micro USB port, so you plug it into there, charge it. It actually tells you that right here, charge. And you got your headphone port right here, and then I think this is your audio out. This is your audio out. Can you feel it? So you can feel it?
It's tickling.
You definitely feel it. Let me get some color. Ooh. Oh my. Yo, this is crazy right here. This is the Iron Man. Look, I call this the Iron Man because you know you got that thing right in the middle of your chest. Like you can feel it in your chest and in your back. Ah, this thing is dope though. Alright, so if you want to turn it on, all you do, the power button is right here. The middle button, which is also going to be your Bluetooth button. So if you hold it in, see that little light come on? Now it's on. You get a little haptic feedback that lets you know that it's actually on too. Now if you want to connect it to listen to the music, what you do is you take your 3.5mm and you plug the headphone jack, the headphone port, into the headphones, and then into your actual pair of headphones, and then you take the your 3.5mm that's provided, or if you got an extra one, and you plug that one in to that port, and then the other side into your phone, just like that. All right, now if you want to go wireless, the way you do it is to your Bluetooth connections, and then when you get to Bluetooth, it will you scan or whatever, and then it'll pop up, and you just click Woozr right there and connect it. Let me try to connect it completely wirelessly and see if that works. All right, so now it's connected to the Beats Studio Wireless and the Woozr. So now you should be able to play it without any connection, any wires or anything. So you see it's not wired in here. There's no wire to the earbud. That's it. Ha ha. So no connection. Playing through the headphones. Playing right here. With no connected wires. So you can go fully wireless also. Alright, but all in all, I gotta give this thing like 8 thumbs up, man. If I had 8 thumbs, I'd give it all 8 thumbs. This thing right here is just super dope. You know what I mean? My youngest son, Carzel, he's the one that helped me with the video, so subscribe to his channel. Dre and then Zelzel. Subscribe to their channel. But it's Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is go into the description, click on every one of them links to follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out. Get the Woozr, baby!